Good day, learners. Welcome to Grade 4 online class. I am Wilfred Caras, your teacher in mathematics. Before we start our class, let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. O God Almighty, behold us the loving children, offering thee today our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, that we may merit the blessings of ourselves, our school, and our beloved country, the Philippines. Amen. Hello, learners! We are now in third quarter, Module 9, and our lesson for today is all about differentiating perimeter from area. This module was designed and written with you in mind. In the previous lessons, you have learned to solve routine and non-routine problems in real-life situations involving perimeter of squares and rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. Now, get ready to enjoy and explore the new lesson that you will learn. Today, you will learn about how to relate triangles to quadrilaterals. The most essential learning competency aligned in this module is differentiates perimeter from area. Now kids, let's see how much you already know the lesson by answering this activity. Directions. Read and understand each question or statement. Choose the letter of the correct answer. I'll give you a few minutes to answer this activity. Mang Bernard, the school janitor, constructed a fence around the playground for the preschool kids, which is 10 meters long and 6 meters wide. How many meters is the perimeter fence? Below is the picture of the playground. Kids, do you love eating chocolates? Now look at these pictures. I have here two chocolates. Which is bigger? Which is smaller? Is it chocolate A or chocolate B? Are they the same? Area and perimeter are very important terms while dealing with mathematics. This applies to any shape of the field, irregular or regular. For example, to fence the garden at your house, the length required of the material for fencing is the perimeter of the garden. If it's a square garden with each side as a centimeter, then perimeter would be a centimeter. The area is the space contained in the shape of the given figure. It is calculated in square units. The perimeter is the length of the fence. Perimeter is the edge or boundary of an area. We can calculate perimeter by adding together the length of all the sides of the object. It can be measured in millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Now kids, let's find the perimeter of the chocolates that we have seen earlier. To find the perimeter of the chocolates A and B, we add the measures of the sides. The length of the chocolate A is 7 cm and the width is 5 cm. So perimeter of chocolate A. So here's the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W or 2 length plus 2 width, or we can use this formula. Perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. So let's apply. Perimeter is equal to, close in open parentheses, 7 cm plus 7 cm, and then close in open parentheses, 5 cm plus 5 cm, and then perimeter is equal to 14 cm plus 10 cm. So perimeter is equal to 24 cm. So therefore the answer for Chocolate A is 24 centimeter. Now kids, let's proceed to chocolate B. The length of the chocolate B is 3 centimeter and the width is 6 centimeter. Perimeter of chocolate B. Here's the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 width, or we can also use this formula. Perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. Let's apply. Close and open parentheses. 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Close and open parentheses. 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. What is the answer, class? Very good. 18 centimeter. The area is the total surface of a shape. It is calculated by multiplying the length of a shape by its width. It can be measured in millimeters, squared millimeters, squared centimeter, squared meters, and then squared kilometers. And now kids, we're going to find the area of chocolates A and B. The length of the chocolate A is 7 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. So area of chocolate A, here's the formula. Area is equal to length times width. So let's apply. Area is equal to 7 centimeter times 5 centimeter. So what is the answer, class? Very good. Area is equal to 35 squared centimeter. So that is the answer, or that is the area of chocolate A. So 35 squared centimeter. Very good, class. Next one is we're going to find the area of chocolate B. The length of chocolate B is 3 centimeter and the width is 6 centimeter. Okay, so let's find the area of chocolate B. Here's the formula. Area is equal to length times width. That is the formula, kids. Let's apply. 3 centimeter times 6 centimeter. What is the answer, kids? Very good. The answer is 18 centimeters squared. That is the answer for the area of chocolate B. Now kids, what is the difference between perimeter and area? Area. The area is the region occupied by a closed shape in a two-dimensional plane, while the perimeter, it is the length of the outer boundary of a closed shape. Area is measured in square units, while perimeter, it is measured in units. For example, for letter A, finding the area of square. The sides of a square are equal. Again, the sides of a square are equal. An example of a square is given whose side is 12 centimeter. To find the area of a square, we can also count the number of squares, units, or multiple the length of one side by itself. So area, this is the formula. Area is equal to length times width. Again, here's the formula in finding the area of a square. Area is equal to length times width. So let's apply. So area is equal to 12 times 12. What is the answer, class? Very good. The answer is 144 centimeters squared. That is the answer for letter A. How about letter B? Finding the perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is, perimeter is equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. What is the answer, class? Very good. The perimeter of the square is 48 centimeter. That is the answer for letter B. Now class, let's do these activities. For activity 1, use the formula to find the area and perimeter of each rectangle. I'll give you a few minutes to answer this activity. For activity 2, solve the following problem and choose the correct answer. I'll give you a few minutes to answer this activity. For assessment 1, solve the perimeter and the area of the following shapes. And for assessment 2, analyze the problem and solve. I'll give you a few minutes to answer these activities. And for assessment 3, solve the following problems. Excellent learners, you have done the task very well and you are always doing a great job. Now, finish this activity. Here's another activity. Measure the area of each object. Use the correct unit of square measure. I'll give you a few minutes to answer this activity. To assess our lesson for today, do this activity. Choose the correct answer. Write it on your paper. Number 1. What is the perimeter of the given rectangle? A. 8 meters, B. 16 meters, C. 22 meters, and letter D. 35 meters. Number 2. What is the perimeter of a square with an area of 9 square feet? A. 12 feet, B. 18 feet, C. 36 feet, and letter D. 42 feet. Number 3. The length of a rectangular garden is 14 meters and the width is 10 meters. What is the perimeter of a rectangular garden? A. 10 feet, B. 12 feet, C. 14 feet, letter D. 48 feet. And number 4. What is the perimeter of a square if one side measures 6 inches? A. 16 inches, B. 26 inches, C. 36 inches, and letter D. 56 inches. And number 5. The width of the rectangle is 7 cm and the length is 5 cm. What is the area of the perimeter? A. 25 cm squared, letter B. 35 cm squared, letter C. 45 cm squared, and letter D. 55 cm squared. Now class, for the last activity, do this. What is the perimeter and area of each figure? I'll give you a few minutes to answer this activity.